Okay, so sorry for all the delay with Unique Learning Online, but we've had some issues this morning. Hopefully, they're fixed. Don't worry about today. Just wait and start on it tomorrow. As soon as whenever you get ready to start your lessons tomorrow, you'll just do tomorrow's and then move on throughout the week. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of demonstration here on how this works. So when you go in, I'm going to go ahead and just do Caleb's, but when you go in, you're going to click on your child's picture from the link and you're going to type in their password. Now their password is going to be the one I emailed you. It's all still the same. It's their first name, unless they only have 4 letters in their name, and then it's going to be part of their last name, but I did send all that in the email. So I'm just going to log in here, and it's going to have the day's activities. Now, if you'll notice, there's several different activities on here. You're not expected to get through all of these. They are very short, so you may want to do 1 or 2 of them. I'm not going to be counting to see how many get done. It's just going to be that you're getting something done throughout the day. So if I go in to the math, this is basic math. Now, they do get harder the further you go in the lesson. This is just a basic addition using word problems. And if you will click on the words,
Mary Beth is helping
it will
her
read it to
teacher
you.
get ready for school. She wipes down 3 desks and 3 chairs. How many items does Mary Beth wipe down altogether?
So then if I am over here and I click on that, and I can click on the 3,
3,
and it's going to tell me what that number is.
3.
Now, when I go to answer it and I get it to read me,
How many items does Mary Beth wipe down altogether?
unfortunately, it doesn't have the option to pick a 6. So you're just going to have to do hand over hand if you're not able to point to the 6, or if they're not able to use a calculator to figure it out. So I'm going to put in 6. If you get it right, you just heard it ding. That's what it'll do. Now, if I put in the wrong answer, you're going to get that sound. So that's going to tell you that it's wrong. And then after you do this problem, you're going to hit the arrow key and you're going to go to the next one. And then it'll do this till the end of the lesson. Now this button right here, all it does is change the color of the ink. Okay? Go is going to bring this up, and it's just going to go to, it's going to add, it's going to show you the current lesson and the new lesson. The next one. So that's how you do the math. And like I said, I know it seems like a lot, but it's really not. So if you'll do at least the first lesson for every subject that's listed, whether it's math and reading, science and social studies, at least do 1 lesson per subject that's on your grid. It's always going to look like this. And then once you get down to the reading, what I want you guys to be doing is the leveled book that's beside the read and comprehend, because that's going to be your questions. So you're going to click on the leveled book, and it's going to show up like this. And you're going to have to help your kiddos, and I know it can be stringent, but this is just the way that the program works. So you're going to click on the arrow, and in the box.
Daquan and Malcolm walk to school together. They are learning about laws at school. A law is a rule that people in a city or country must follow. Daquan and Malcolm walk to school together. They are learning about laws at school. A law is a rule that people in a city or country must follow.
Now, if you want, you can also click on the space bar, and it'll take you to the next page.
And Malcolm walk to
Well,
school together.
it should. Just use your arrows. It doesn't matter. And then once you get finished with the story, then you're going to go back. And you're going to go and answer the questions. Now your answers, right here, it's going to read to you.
The boys walk to, on the sidewalk.
And when you click here, it brings up your answer choices. And all you have to do is click on. So the boys walk to the blank on the sidewalk. So I'm going to click school.
School.
and it's going to give me that little chime to let me know I got it right. And there should be at least 5 questions per story. So that's going to be just for Monday's lesson. Tomorrow's will have different subjects for different kids, but it works the same. So if you have any questions about what your grid looks like or how to maneuver around the system, just drop me a call, text, or email and just say, hey, I need a little bit more direction, and we can walk through it over the phone, or I can put out more videos. Thanks.